In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side motor mount on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Remove the 10mm bolts for the coolant reservoir. Pull the reservoir up and over to the side. Using a jack with a piece of wood, we're going to go under the oil pan. You want to pick a side. I'm going to use the front side. I'm going to put my piece of wood right there. Then we're going to put the car down on top of it. If you have splash shields under your car, you may need to remove them before doing this. In our case, our car was in an accident and we don't have any shields. Using a 17mm socket, loosen the nut. Remove it. There's 2 nuts and 1 bolt, all 17mm, on the back side of this bracket. Remove the bolt and 2 nuts. Lift straight up on the bracket. Remove the 4 14mm bolts for the motor mount. Remove the motor mount. Install the motor mount. Install the bolts. Get them started by hand. Snug the bolts down. Torque the motor mount bolts to 54 foot-pounds. Install the motor mount bracket. Get the top nut started. Get the nut started on the back side of the bracket. Start the bolt by hand. Snug down all of the bolts. Torque the motor mount bracket bolts to 72 foot-pounds. Install the hose into the washer tank bracket and install the coolant reservoir. Get the 2 bolts started. Snug them down. Lower the jack and remove it from the vehicle. And if you have splash shields, go ahead and reinstall those now.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.